Hello friend, today let me introduce you our 76 model. This machine produces the size from 50.8 to 127 and the thickness from 1.2 to 3.5 millimeters. So please have a look at the machine detail. This is the forming section. This is the big machine, so you can see the distance between the two stands is wider. And our stand thickness is very thick and very strong. This is the welding section. And this is the conveyor. If you are interested in the high frequency pipe making machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.